But is this a valid concern, or is it merely a theoretical possibility? To unpack this issue, consider the context in which judges make their decisions. In most democratic societies, judges are appointed to lifetime positions, providing them with a level of job security that is relatively rare in the political arena. This security allows judges to rule independently without fear of losing their position due to unpopular decisions. However, when a judge is also a politician, there exists the potential for political pressures to influence their rulings. This could come in various forms, such as pressure from constituents, party leaders, or even other judges who might be facing re-election. Imagine, for example, a judge who presides over a highly publicized case involving controversial issues like civil rights or religious freedom. In such a scenario, the judge's decision could have significant political ramifications, potentially affecting the outcome of local elections or influencing the national political discourse. If this judge also happens to be a politician, the decision they make could be swayed by the desire to maintain their political career rather than solely by the principles of justice and the law. Moreover, consider the appointment process itself. When a sitting president nominates a candidate for the judiciary, they typically seek individuals who align with the president's political ideology. This is done to ensure that the president's judicial appointments contribute to the overall political agenda. While this practice is common, it also raises concerns. By appointing ideologically aligned judges, there is a risk of compromising the neutrality and fairness of the judiciary. This concern is not unfounded. Several studies have examined the issue of judicial partisanship, finding that judges' political affiliations do, in fact, influence their decisions. For instance, a study published in the American Political Science Review found that federal district court judges who were appointed by Democratic presidents were more likely to rule in favor of the plaintiffs in civil rights cases, while those appointed by Republican presidents were more likely to rule in favor of the defendants. Similarly, a study published in the Journal of Empirical Legal Studies found that judges who were appointed by presidents of the same political party as the plaintiff were more likely to rule in favor of the plaintiff in environmental cases.